was my I repaired Bush Buddy. I did have it JB welded up along the edge here to hold it together, but that's burned away. So what I've done is put 3 screws in it, and it's increased the weight of them quite a bit. But this isn't exactly a lightweight stove, but it works very well. I'm gonna make another one out of these cans, but this weighs 6.5 pounds or 6.5 ounces without this thing, and weighs 7.7 ounces with this. This is just to protect things in the pack from getting cut from the edges of it, but it's a pretty nice working stove. I've retested it and it works just great. So these homemade Bush Buddies are a very viable solution to carrying fuel. Thanks for watching.